Hi, thanks for watching the review of Cassie Campervan by Mummy and the Cuties. It's a real cool toy and it guarantees to improve the social skills of your little ones through pretend play. This is an 8-piece set, comes with Cassie Campervan, the two friends Pete and Lily, the pet dog Sammy, the dog bowl, a picnic table, and two luggage items. There is so much for the little ones to explore. They can open the roof that has a lovely holiday home interior. They can open the front cab. They can open the tailgate by a push button. There is a lovely picnic table so you can have a cool picnic with your dudes while you're feeding your dog with the dog bowl. And also, when you open, there is a lovely playground setup. It has a hopscotch so you can play nicely. Now, let's see how the little ones at Mummy and the Cuties are enjoying their time with Cassie Camperman. Oh, are you having a picnic? Picnic over? Are you tidying up? Finished? Haha, good girl.
Keep calling. Wow. Susan! Coming! Where's Junior?
Yeah.
Where's Junior? Junior, who's inside?
Yeah.
Junior, come on.
Why